Try it with buko juice.
What?
Try it with buko juice. Wow. Sige, sige. Quack quack with cucumber and seaweeds and buko juice. Lami. Kana may lami yun siguro.
Maybe you drink buko juice.
Sweet daw. Love sweet daw ang sauce. Yeah, sweet ang sauce. Sweet kang sauce. Love, I'll go live again but let's eat it with bulot. Promise katong last time man good wa kay ko enjoy kay pag ano na dako as duck Dako na kayo ba niya? Na feathers? What is it?
Chicken. Swerte naman ng duck. Mahal yun. Hindi yung duck.
Dapat walang power gift.
Babe.
Ako feeling ko walang power. Or top spin.
Mahal naman ang balot mo, duck.
Duck ka, baby.
Is it duck?
It's a duck, babe.
Hindi ba yung chicken?
Duck? Anong?
A duck nga.
Love naman.
Oh my god, I thought sisiw yun, babe. Sisiw yun.
Duck, uy, yeah, duck. May Sofia yun, klaro. Duck man gud na. Kaon kag balot tao. Sorry. Yan naman.
It's duck pala. Wala ko'y kabalo. Ducks daw.
So katong balot siguro gikaon nako. Katong balot ang gikaon siguro
I eat the
basin.
egg lang.
Basin sa to 20 days na siguro to na. Basta nanay balibo niya ang beak niya ba. Ang beak niya mergahi na kayo. Pero labi ng gyapon. Ako ram gyapon na hurat. It should be only 16 days.
Why ba?
So maybe I think the duck maybe katong aqua dako na kayo ba 19 days. Unsay pinakalamit na duck?
5 days?
Lami ang 16 days. Sige, sige. Asa ta mga palit og balot rin ang lami? Sa Dumaguete. Let's buy balot, love. Let's tell them to buy balot.
It's duck pala. Akala ko sisiw yung babe chicken.
Yeah.
Aman is ito, Carlo?
So, mga 5:30 pa siguro to.
Can I try? I'll try to make palo, babe.
Go.
I didn't go yet.
Sige, wait lang. Wait.
Can I try this?
Yeah.
I want to try lang.
Sige, wait.
So we can do 4.
Come on, this.
Yeah, just put it here. Sayang, you're earning money.
Boom. Wait lang.